If this has found you on November 10th, then this message is for you. If this is the first time you're seeing me, hi, I'm Brianna, and I am a psychic medium. I channel energy. I give that message to you, and I trust that this always finds you at the perfect moment in time. And if you are following me, then welcome back. It's good to see you. Okay, today's message says, never give up on your dreams because you don't know how close they really are, okay? Then I had my tarot deck here and I kind of like pushed the deck and a card popped out. I love when that happens. But guess what? I'm already feeling like this new beginning, and this is like validation because the Ace of Swords came out. Yes, aces are about new beginnings. Swords are about things coming in really quick. It also has to do with the air signs. The air signs are Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. So if you're one of those air signs, this could just be amplified, but it doesn't have to be. It could also be saying that the next air season we're in could be when this manifests for you. I keep seeing, and I keep getting the image of like, I don't know if you guys have seen that miner meme where it's like a cartoon and there's like this miner and he's like going in, he's digging and he's digging and he's not finding any diamonds. And so finally he gives up and he walks away, and you can see that there's like an inch more. If he would have kept digging an inch more, there was a whole entire wall of diamonds. I don't know if you guys have seen that. Let me know if you have. But that's what Spirit's giving me. It's like that's you right now. You are so close to hitting that wall of diamonds. You don't realize how close you are to receiving everything that you have. Okay, a bug just like flew in my face. That was distracting, but maybe that's also kind of like a sign for some of you. But you guys don't realize how close you really are to receiving the thing that you want. It's so close, okay? Spirit's saying don't give up on it. Never give up on your dreams because it's so close. Okay, so we had the Death card come out, which is very interesting as well because we are in Scorpio season. The Death card has to do with things coming to an end, but it's also a beautiful new beginning is coming out of this, right? Like, yes, it's dark, but look, the sun rises again, okay? So this makes me feel like whatever it is you're going through, it's like the darkness has ended. The darkness is ending. You don't even know that it's ended yet. You still feel like you're in the darkness, but Spirit's saying, also, I keep getting these same analogies. It's like I'm getting an analogy of like the seed's been planted and the little plant is trying to find its way to the sunlight, but it's like has to get through all that dirt, and the seed doesn't realize like I'm so close to like breaking through and like feeling the sunshine finally. It's the same thing. Like this is what you're going through. This is what's happening for you. You're so close. Do not give up. You're going to see it before the end of the year. You're going to see what you're wanting before the end of the year. So if this found you, this is for you. I truly believe it. Let me know if it resonates. Make sure to follow me. Also, check out my TikTok shop. I have a bunch of stuff in there for the holidays, and I'm not going to get any more. So go check it out.